When selecting heating for a bathroom, especially in a renovation scenario, several options exist that are both visually appealing and space-saving. Let's explore recessed heater options. Firstly, consider a recessed electric fireplace heater. These heaters resemble traditional fireplaces but operate entirely on electricity and can be recessed into a wall cavity. They provide substantial heat and a cozy atmosphere. Secondly, there's the recessed convection heater. These heaters use a fan to circulate warm air, ensuring even heat distribution throughout the room. They can be installed flush with the wall surface for a seamless look. Thirdly, look at recessed hydronic heaters. These heaters utilize hot water pipes to generate heat. They can be recessed into a wall or even the ceiling, offering efficient and quiet heating performance. Now, consider under-tile heater options. There is the electric under-tile heater. These heaters are installed directly beneath the floor tiles, emitting radiant heat upwards. This provides comfortable and consistent heat distribution without occupying any wall space. Next is the hydronic under-tile heater. Similar to the electric models, these heaters use hot water pipes to warm the tiles, ensuring a consistent and comfortable temperature underfoot. When making your choice, consider several important factors. Firstly, power requirements. Ensure that your electrical system can adequately handle the wattage of the heater you select. Consult a qualified electrician to verify your system's capacity and ensure safe operation. Secondly, think about space limitations. Accurately measure the available wall cavity or floor space to determine the maximum size of heater that can be installed. This will prevent installation issues and ensure a proper fit. Thirdly, consider installation complexity. Recessed heaters often require some level of electrical or plumbing work. Evaluate the installation difficulty and determine if you can handle the project yourself or if you'll need to hire a professional. Keep aesthetics in mind. Choose a heater that complements the overall design of your bathroom and doesn't detract from its aesthetic appeal. Consider the style, finish, and appearance of the heater to ensure it blends seamlessly with your existing decor. Let's consider the advantages and disadvantages of each type. Recessed heaters offer advantages such as visual appeal, space-saving design, and generally quiet operation. However, they may require more complex installation and could have visible cords or vents. Under-tile heaters offer advantages like even heat distribution, hidden installation, and comfortable underfoot warmth. On the other hand, they require tile removal for installation or retrofitting, which can be more expensive. When considering recessed electric fireplace heaters, remember they provide both heat and a visual focal point. Their efficiency depends on the model and wattage, so check energy ratings. Installation usually requires framing and electrical connections within the wall cavity. Recessed convection heaters are excellent for quickly heating the space. Look for models with adjustable thermostats and fan speeds for optimal comfort. Ensure adequate clearance around the heater for proper airflow. Recessed hydronic heaters, being connected to your hot water system, offer efficient and consistent heating. Professional installation is typically required to ensure proper plumbing connections and system compatibility. Electric under-tile heaters provide consistent and even heat across the floor surface. They are controlled by a thermostat, allowing precise temperature settings. Installation involves embedding heating mats or cables in a layer of thin-set mortar beneath the tiles. Hydronic under-tile heaters offer energy-efficient heating by utilizing hot water. They require professional installation to connect to your plumbing system and ensure proper circulation. Consider the type of flooring you have. Under-tile heating works best with tile, stone, or other materials that conduct heat well. When calculating power requirements, consult the heater's specifications to determine its wattage. Ensure your electrical circuit can handle the load without overloading. When dealing with installation complexity, always follow manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes. If you're unsure about any aspect of the installation, hire a qualified electrician or plumber. Considering aesthetics means choosing a heater that matches your bathroom's style and color scheme. Look for models with sleek designs and finishes that complement your decor. Always prioritize safety when installing any type of heater. Ensure proper grounding and follow all safety precautions outlined in the manufacturer's instructions. Also, consider the long-term operating costs of each type of heater. Electric heaters generally have higher operating costs than hydronic heaters due to electricity prices. Before making a final decision, compare prices and features of different models. Read reviews and get recommendations from other homeowners or contractors. Remember that proper insulation can significantly improve the efficiency of any heating system. Ensure your bathroom is well insulated to minimize heat loss. Consider adding a programmable thermostat to your heater. This allows you to set schedules and automatically adjust the temperature to save energy. If you are replacing an existing heater, consider the environmental impact of your old unit. Dispose of it properly and recycle any recyclable components. If you have small children or pets, choose a heater with safety features like automatic shut-off and cool touch surfaces. Always keep flammable materials away from heaters to prevent fire hazards. Regularly inspect your heater for any signs of damage or wear. If you notice any issues, have it repaired by a qualified technician. When using under-tile heating, avoid placing rugs or mats on top of the heated area. This can trap heat and potentially damage the heating system or flooring. Consider the overall layout of your bathroom when choosing a heater. Make sure the heater is positioned to provide optimal heat distribution throughout the space. If you have a large bathroom, you may need to install multiple heaters to ensure adequate warmth. Be aware of any local building codes or regulations that may apply to heater installations. Obtain any necessary permits before starting the project. Consider the noise level of different heaters. Some models may be louder than others, especially those with fans. If noise is a concern, choose a quieter model or consider a radiant heating option. Think about the maintenance requirements of different heaters. Some models may require more frequent cleaning or servicing than others. When installing under-tile heating, ensure the subfloor is properly prepared and leveled to prevent uneven heating. Consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A longer warranty can provide peace of mind and protect your investment. Remember that professional installation can ensure proper functionality and safety. Don't hesitate to hire a qualified contractor if you're not comfortable doing the work yourself. If you're installing a hydronic heater, consider the efficiency of your water heater. An efficient water heater can reduce energy consumption and lower operating cost. Think about the placement of the thermostat. Position it in a central location away from drafts and direct sunlight to ensure accurate temperature readings. Consider adding a timer to your heater. This allows you to automatically turn the heater on and off at specific times to save energy. If you have allergies or respiratory issues, choose a heater with a filter. A filter can remove dust and other allergens from the air, improving air quality. Be sure to clean or replace the filter regularly to maintain optimal performance. If you're installing a heater in a damp or humid environment, choose a model that is designed for use in wet locations. Look for features like waterproof construction and corrosion-resistant materials. Consider the angle of the sun. If the bathroom is facing the sun, it might not be needed to heat it up with a heater, saving you money and electricity. If the bathroom isn't facing the sun, you may want to invest in a bigger heater to make up for it. Remember that safety is always the top priority when working with electricity or plumbing. If you're not comfortable doing the work yourself, hire a qualified professional. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the best bathroom heater for your needs and enjoy a warm and comfortable space. Remember to always consult with a qualified professional for any electrical or plumbing work to ensure safety and compliance with local codes.